Hello again, this is Stephen Palomino for another update on the Schedule Assistant application. I'm just going to walk you through some of the most recent changes after our testing, our user testing. So the biggest thing was kind of some confusion around some of the detail view buttons here. Instead of completed and canceled, we've changed this to charge and removed to make things a bit more clear. And the next big thing, not too much has changed. One of the big features that changed is the user code has been completely redone to be more of a invitation and friends kind of view. So first thing you can do is I've created a couple of users already here, and we're going to go ahead and invite. Right now we're as A at x.com, so we're going to invite B at x.com and see how that works in the panel. So if we add, you can go ahead and put in the details. If we put in something that doesn't exist, like B at, it'll tell you, make sure you check the spelling and try again. If you try to add yourself, there's also checking for that. You can't add yourself. So if we go ahead and add B, it completes, and then we can log in as the other user. Go ahead and log in. And both of them have one appointment each right now. If we go ahead and accept, it goes through, and you see that it moves down to the friends list. We can go ahead and X to delete that, but what we'll do is come over here and reload the appointments. And as you can see, both users' appointments are pulling through just fine, and they both come through in the calendar as well. If we go ahead and refresh this data over here as well, you can see that A is B's friend and B is A's friend. If we wouldn't have accepted, it would have shown over here in the pending, as well as if you deny, it just completely erases from pending and gives the user another chance to invite the other user. So this has been kind of redone to make it a bit easier for users to find each other, kind of give some feedback based on the feedback that we got with the user testing. That was just a bit difficult to remember code. So this way, you know the email of the user you want to add, and if it's wrong or it doesn't exist, it'll let you know. And it also gives them a chance to accept or deny your request. So that was the biggest thing, besides the button change from that we got from the user feedback. So everything else is pretty much the same. A few enhancements and kind of optimizations behind the screen, behind the scenes, to kind of make less calls to the server to kind of make things a bit quicker. Some messages were added for various errors that would come up for wrong users or incorrect users. And just overall performance has been boosted a bit. So the next step will be the gold release. We'll keep kind of really testing this build to make sure that it's as clean as possible before the release. And as usual, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.